Guys, I'm excited to show you a pool remodel that we completed. It was an old school pool, but we brought this thing back to life. This is what we do at Selah Pools. Man, this is a beautiful pool. Before we got started, we had Oklahoma stone here. It was brown and red, but the client wanted something really modern. So what do? We did the beautiful travertine ledge stone. When we started this project, the client had the old stone going over the negative edge. And when we chose this tile, you have to choose something bold. You got to choose something that sticks out. The client and I, we had the vision, and man, does this look like $1 million. Now let's talk about the fun part. The fun part is the pretty part. With my clients, here's what we do. We work together in our showroom to find the tiles, to find the stonework that's gonna fit. And for these tiles, these were meant to be together. I'm Caleb with Selah Pools. I know we can do this for your backyard too.